Welcome. In this video, we will be reviewing CQG's Smart Orders. Smart Orders include Iceberg orders, DOM triggered stops, trailing limits and trailing DOM triggered stops, OCO, and bracket orders. You can configure Smart Orders by symbol and by account. First, go to the Setup toolbar button, select Trading Preferences. Here, Smart Orders are already chosen. Our first one is DOM triggered stops. A DOM triggered stop order is a stop order that is not triggered until the inside market bid and ask quantity falls below the DOM triggered stops trigger level. Here for the E-mini S&P, it is set to 500 contracts. You can do this as a default for symbols for all accounts, or you can choose an account. To add a symbol, and this applies to all of the various smart orders, you just click on Add Symbol, type in your symbol, say OK, select the symbol, make your setting. Iceberg orders is a day order where the size displayed on the order book is according to the display quantity set by the trader rather than the total size of the order. You can choose percent, or you can have it be by number of contracts. Again, you can configure by symbol. Iceberg strategies are for spreading the markets, and that's only available on CQG IC. A bracket order allows you to automatically have placed, once your limit order is filled, an order for the target that could be in ticks, dollars, or price away from your fill price, and you have your choice of limit orders, Iceberg, and trailing limit. Stop loss order, again, you can set the tick, number of ticks, and what type of stop do you want to use. A trailing stop order is your standard order that the stop price will automatically adjust itself as the market changes prices. A trailing limit order is similar in that it's a limit price that will automatically move. For example, let's say you joined the best bid and the best bid climbed a tick, you would want your bid price to climb also. OCO, which you have to turn on first before you can turn on bracket orders, are simply linked orders. If one of the orders is filled, then all the other orders are canceled. OCO orders are for strategies, is again a multi-part order. If one part of the order is executed, then all other parts are canceled. A market if touched is the opposite of a stop order. In other words, if you put in a buy market if touched below the market, and if the market trades down to that price, it automatically becomes a market order. A Funari order, which is only usable on certain exchanges, is a limit order with the unexecuted portions handled as a market on close. Market limit is specific to the SFE. It is the same as a limit order, but it has no price boundaries, and only 3 best price are used for filling it. If you're interested in knowing more about smart orders, click the question mark, and you can type in such as smart and learn more about smart orders. If you need immediate assistance, please select the support toolbar button, select live chat, and you are automatically connected to a CQG support person. This concludes our video. For more information about CQG products and services, please visit cqg.com.